Hello, ninth grade biology class. I hope everybody is doing well and healthy. We miss you at Brookwood. We look forward to getting back to classes, hopefully soon. I want to show you now how to access the practice quiz that I hope that you'll be able to take tomorrow. I've set myself up as a student in biology class. As you can see, I'm not doing particularly well with this D+ mark. But when you come into your account, and you usually land here, I think on the to-do page, you can click on Cell Differentiation Practice Quiz. Or if you're in your assignments, you'll see it listed there and you can hit Start. Or if you're looking at your grades for biology class and you scroll down to the bottom, you can click into it here also. So you can see it says time limit 30 minutes. It's 5 questions. You can use your book and you can use your notebook for this. What we're going to do is we're going to hit Start. It says Start Now. This is the splash page or a slide explaining to you that you should be done by 2 p.m. on Monday. This is so I can make sure everybody can do this. And down here are buttons to click to scroll forward. Right here, I'm going to choose the last one on each of these. You might note that I skipped the first one. I think it will ask me to come back and do that. Each test is going to, yes, I think this was the first question. So it says, am I ready to turn it in? So I can finish it later. I could save it for 10 minutes and go get a drink of water. Or I set this one up to grade immediately because it's multiple choice and there are no fill in the blanks or short essay questions that the teacher would need to grade. So I'm going to say grade it now. I got 2 out of 5. So I hit about the average for 5 questions, randomly guessing. Please note that I've also set it so that every test that each student takes has the questions in different order and the multiple choice answers in different order. So I've given you all credit for the homework grade that we were trying to submit through JupyterEd. Some of you still haven't quite figured out how to do that. So hopefully learning how to do this will make it easier because it's a JunoPod. It's very similar. The test will cover all of Chapter 10, everything I've assigned homework on or that you have notes on, which isn't a lot, but then you also have the study guide sheet that I gave you, and that is, I think, still available in your JupyterEd account. So, and the test will be on Tuesday. I'll probably leave it open from 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. so that people can take it, but it won't grade automatically, I don't think, unless it ends up being all multiple choice. I haven't written it yet, of course. So I wish you the best of luck. Email me, call, or text if you have any questions or any problems tomorrow morning. Thank you.